Hello everyone, welcome to MESS e-learning channel. In today's tutorial we will understand how to modify the existing sketch which we have made in SolidWorks and how to edit the dimensions once a 3D model is complete. So in the previous tutorial we had observed two 3D modeling features, that is extrude and revolve. So we will just create one 3D model with these commands and we will see how to change the sketch geometry. Okay, so now go to new, click on part, select OK. So let's select a plane, front plane, sketch. Now say for example I am just creating a centered rectangle which I need to convert it into a 3D. Okay, so I will just give dimensions to it. Fully defined, exit. Just converting it into a rectangular 3D rectangular entity. Okay, so now we have extruded it. Now in case after you have completed a particular 3D modeling feature, that is now we have completed boss extrude. Now say I need to edit the dimensions. How you can edit the dimensions or how you can change the sketch profile. So for that you have to right click here, click on the second icon which you see here, that is edit sketch. Okay, so it will take back to the sketching plane where you have made the geometry. So now here say for example I need to insert some circles, I can do that. Okay, all my circles they are having some dimensions. What I will do, I will give one circle a diameter of 25.44 and I will follow all the circles to have the same diameters. So to do that I will select this circle, press Ctrl, select this and we will go for equal. Okay, same way this, press Ctrl, equal, this circle, press Ctrl, this and equal. So what I did, I just made all the circle diameters to be same. Okay, let me just shift it slightly inside the geometry of the rectangle. Now if you see here it is not fully defined, so what we can do, I will just define with respect to the origin. Okay, so now it is fully defined. Now say I need to also change the dimension of this rectangle. Instead of it being 114, I am making it 125 and this is say of 75. So everything is changed. Now I will exit. So you can see the changes, whatever modifications we did in the sketch can be seen here. Same way the dimension of the 3D profile, that is the 3D feature, is also changed. So this is one way how you can edit the sketch or the dimensions of a 3D model. Other way of editing is you can just what you need to do is just double click on this 3D model. So bring your left mouse button over here and just double click it. You can find here all the dimensions. I can modify it by double clicking each and every dimension. So this I need to make as 130. So now you have made the change but you don't see it to be implemented. So for that what you have to do, you have to click on this symbol. This will basically regenerate the modifications which you have made in the existing 3D feature. So I will just click on this icon, regenerate. So you can see the modification is implemented. So this is how you can modify the sketch profile and the dimensions of a sketch once a 3D model is complete. Now this we have seen with respect to an extrude command. Let us also see with respect to a revolve command. So I will just close this. So previously in the previous model we saw how to modify the sketch profile and dimensions for an extrude feature. Similarly, let us observe for a revolve feature. Go to new, select part, front plane, sketch. I will just make a simple step shaft and we will try to modify the dimensions of it. Okay. So now the profile is complete. Exit, go to features, revolve. So I will revolve it. Axis of revolution will be this. So now it's complete. So if I need to modify the dimensions, you can just double click here. Okay, so here let us change this to 30 and this let us change it to 50. Once you are done this, let us also change the radius. This will be say 30 and this will be say 16. So we have made the changes in the dimensions. Just click on this regenerate option to show the modifications which we have made in the feature. Okay, so you can see it has reduced the size with respect to dimensions which we have given. So I hope so in this tutorial you have understood how to modify the sketch profile and dimensions for 3D feature by extrude or revolve. In the next tutorial we will see few more advanced commands in extrude. Thank you.